Maggie. Are you going to smile for us? Are you going to smile for us? Oh, boy. There's that nice smile. There's that nice smile. Charlie has a nice smile, too. Oh, there it is. Are you trying to say hello? Hello. Can you say hi? Hi. Maggie, can I get one more smile? Can I get one more smile? Well, maybe not a smile, but at least I can get your brother laughing.